More and more people are being booked into Louisville's jail, but at the same time, the officers guarding them are leaving.
WDRB's Travis Ragsdale explains the challenges corrections officers are trying to overcome.
Staffing shortages here at Louisville's jail have long been an issue, but add in COVID and officers here say that the problem is only getting worse.
It is absolutely not safe right now for our members.
That's the view of the union president for Metro Corrections officers.
The city is not doing enough to try to fully staff this jail.
Since the COVID-19 pandemic began, the judicial system in Louisville has done all it could to lower the population of the city jail to prevent an outbreak. And that worked. Admissions to the jail were the lowest in 2020 since at least 2004. But now things are starting to tick back up. As of Tuesday, there were 1,632 inmates in the jail. The average last year was around 400 fewer inmates. All of this discussed at Tuesday's jail policy meeting.
There's a natural danger to our jobs to begin with, but depending on the environment and some of the decisions that are being made, you can either make that better or worse.
One of the challenges of getting people to work is the threat of COVID.
We're providing vaccines, so we've done over 1,100 vaccines, over 9,000 tests. So we're really working hard to chase it, find it, box it in, treat it.
But Union President Daniel Johnson says it's mostly pay.
You got to pay people more money than what they're making on unemployment if you want them to take the risk to come work in a facility like the jail.
Over the weekend, Corrections says 3 officers were assaulted. The union says that's at least partially due to the lack of staff.
Because we don't have enough staffing, we are working people 70 plus hours a week. You might have a 5 minutes notice before the end of your shift that you're needed for another 8-hour shift.
Right now, starting pay is $17 an hour for a corrections officer, Johnson says. And until that's addressed, he doesn't think anything will change as the jail population increases.
We're working on some initiatives that are helping, well, we think will help draw some more people into the door to make those applications.
What exactly those changes and opportunities might be remain to be seen. Outside Metro Corrections, Travis Ragsdale, WDRB News.